Hey, this is Greg over at earnyourkeep.net. I just wanted to show you this Wordtracker keyword research software that I use. This is just a starting program. This isn't all I use, but this is the baseline. I'll put a description or a link in the description down below. It will be an affiliate link. So if you click on it and sign up for it, yes, I will be paid a little bit of money. But it's a basic program that'll help you find great keywords to write your content around, make content around so that you can rank better on Google. So what I did is I just went ahead and typed in earn extra money, just something simple. Came up with all these results and everything from ways to make extra money, side hustle to make money. What I love about this program is you can just click here over on this competition button and narrow down. You see here, no competition, all the way down here. Over here, this IAAT, this is this keyword term, is this used in any titles or is it an anchor text for a page? And you can see no, so these are good keywords potentially. And so I just took two and just to show you the difference here in what a good one looks like and a bad one looks like. I took side hustle to make more money, which, let's see here, I found that one. Right here, side hustle to make more money, 755 searches a month, no competition, no anchor in text, or anchor in title. The other one I did was ways to make extra money. Of course, that was the #1 on the search, volume-wise anyways, at 17,000. Now you'd think, okay, 17,000, that's a lot better chance of me making, getting some hits from this, but really it's not. I'll show you why. If you look at ways to make extra money, lots of searches. You're going to be competing with Ramsey Solutions, huge company, Nerd Wallet, Entrepreneur, Finance Buzz, Indeed, Side Hustle Nation. So big companies. Go down here, put some quotes around this to narrow it down to just these words. You will see this is always the telltale sign. You time it out here at the bottom of the search page. There's 21, 20. So there's 197 relevant pages you'll be competing with. Relevant pages. Versus if you look at this other keyword, which is side hustle to make more money, 32 million search results it comes up with. Put your brackets around it. Go down here, time it out. 40 relevant websites versus 197 websites. How do you think you're going to rank? Are you going to be able to get yourself on page 1 or 2 or even 10 of Google with this competition of ways to make extra money? Or would it be easier to build a piece of content around side hustles to make more money and then lead your customer down the path to whatever your affiliate program is? Anyways, this is my little tip and trick for the day. This is how I begin my keyword research tool. I hope you enjoy it, earn it, you make it, and then learn how to keep it.